And well, Snake Shyam has crossed yet another milestone in his hobby. Take a look as to what he has achieved capturing snakes across the state.
Snake Shyam has been capturing snakes since 1985. On Thursday, he caught his 28,000th snake. But this is just a rough estimate, as he has maintained a record only from 1997. Along with the number of snakes, he also keeps a record of the type of snakes in their habitat.
ಇವತ್ತು ಒಂದು ಗೋಡನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕೇರೆ ಹಾವು ಸಿಕ್ತು. ಈ ಹಾವು ಹಿಡಿದಾಗ ನನ್ನ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರಲ್ಲಿ 28,000 ಆಗಿದೆ. ನಾನು 1985 ಇಸ್ವಿಯಿಂದ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಈ ಹಾವುಗಳನ್ನ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಹಿಡಿದಿರೋ ಹಾವುಗಳನ್ನ ಜನ ಇರೋ ಜಾಗದಿಂದ ಜನ ಇಲ್ಲದಿರೋ ಜಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಬಿಟೇಟ್ಗೆ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನನ್ನ ಸೇವೆ 24 ಗಂಟೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಸುಮಾರು ಜನ ಹುಡುಗರನ್ನ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಅಥವಾ ನನಗೆ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಕಳಿಸ್ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಜನರಲ್ಲಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಈ ಹಾವಿನ ಆತಂಕವನ್ನು ನಾನಾಗಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರಾಗಲಿ ನಿವಾರಣೆ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಖಂಡಿತ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮಾತು ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ.
It was in Prasad's go down that Snake Shyam caught his 28,000th snake. Let's hear from Prasad as to what exactly happened.
ನಮ್ಮ ಗೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 4 ಅಡಿ ಉದ್ದ ಹಾವು ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗಾಬರಿ ಉಂಟಾಯಿತು. ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಾವು ಶೇಖ್ ಶ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೋ. ಅವ್ರು ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣನೇ ಹಾವಿನ ಹಿಡಿದು ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಣ ಎಲ್ಲ ರಕ್ಷಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋ ಕಾರ್ಯ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು.
Snake Shyam became a member of the Mysore Municipal Council in June last year. It was after that he reduced the number of calls he took to rescue snakes. Residents all over the state appreciate Snake Shyam's efforts. So, the next time you see a snake, don't be scared. Just call the expert. Ram, News 9, Mysore.
Well, being a banker is one of the most secured professions people love to pursue. But often due to competitive entrance exams and a lack of professional guidance, only a few manage to enter the banking industry. To tackle this issue, a group of former senior banking professionals have come forward with an online solution.
The banking industry is one of the fastest and most secure industries in the world. Nearly 1.5 crore graduates appear every year for 2 lakh bank jobs. All the banks conduct the common written entrance exams online and select only a few of these aspiring candidates. But the ones who do not make it are left behind due to lack of professional guidance. But a group of ex-banking professionals have come together to tackle the issue. These men have started an online solution which is a credible recruitment and training platform for banks and financial institutions. Often aspiring banking students are seen using books while their exams are conducted online. This is where online banking lessons will help them, claims the chairman of this venture.
We thought that to bridge this gap of preparing themselves in a classroom and appearing for the online exam, we thought that we should provide an online coaching for all these candidates so that they will be well equipped to face these exams.
The online solution will help students prepare for banking exams at any time during the day and get periodic assessment to improve their record. This also helps banks understand the candidate better.
This coaching they can get at their respective places, whether they are in a city or in an urban area or in a rural area. They can also practice 24 hours a day, any time convenient for them. This is online coaching wherein everything is given there. The accuracy is ensured and the speed, the technology behind this is updated, and they can use this for their benefit, for their convenience at any place convenient to them.
This solution is fast growing with a large number of students already enrolling for the online banking lessons. The members of this group say that it can be a great way for people serious about a career in the banking industry. Even engineering students are seen taking this online lesson.
With this, our main concept is the right people at the right time for the right share should be selected. Both the eligible candidates as well as the banks will be benefited by our approach and by our endeavor.
Yeah, definitely. Now these bank jobs are today much sought after jobs. Even engineering graduates are, nearly 20% of the candidates are, engineering graduates.
With such online solutions coming to the students' rescue, things are looking brighter and easier for aspirants to tackle the tough and competitive banking exams in the future. Vivek Vinayak, News 9, Bengaluru.
And well, the train route that we're about to show you in Hassan represents a beautiful jugular vein, and the locals want to inject the lifeline of tourism in it. Take a look.
This track from Sakaleshpur to Kukke Subramanya is aptly called the Green Route. Passengers travelling through this route enjoy the most beautiful scenery that comprises of greenery, mountains and rivers. This 70-kilometer route consists of 58 tunnels, 109 bridges and about 25 waterfalls. These tunnels that were constructed in 1972 managed to leave the passengers in awe even to this day. Greeting the passengers outside the tunnel is a sight to behold. Mist and greenery all around.
ಇವಾಗ ಇನ್ನೊಂದೇನಾದ್ರೆ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರೋಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು 2-3 ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಜನಗಳಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಉಪಯೋಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನನ್ನೊಂದು ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯ. ಹಾಸನ್ ತನಕ ಬರೋ ತನಕ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದೇ ನಮಗೇನು ವ್ಯೂ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ವ್ಯೂ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದೊಂದು ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು.
It is a beautiful route to travel when it is raining heavily, as it adds to the already stunning beauty. Passengers enjoy the sound of water trickling down the walls of the tunnel. If there is one thing that is playing spoilsport, it is the covered train. Passengers say that the journey could be much more enjoyable had they been travelling in a train without a roof. While many special routes across the nation have special trains, this route urgently needs one.
ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆದಂಥ ವಿಶೇಷವಾದಂಥ ಒಂದು ರೈಲು ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಊಟಿ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೇನಿಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಊಟಿಗಿಂತ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ತುಂಬ ಜನಗಳಿಗೆ ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದನ್ನು ಹೊರದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದು ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ. ಅದಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಕಲೇಶ್ಪುರದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು
People of the area hope that the Department of Tourism looks into the matter at the earliest and does something to promote tourism. Dashrath Zavur for News 9, Hassan.
Well, India is paying homage to the martyrs of the Kargil war as the army celebrates Vijay Diwas at the War Memorial in Dras. It was on this day in 1999 when the Kargil war officially came to an end after the Indian army drove out the Pakistani army and recaptured the mountain peaks and heights in Kargil.
माँ भारती के लालों की ये एक परीक्षा की घड़ी थी और हिंदुस्तान के सैनिकों ने इन पहाड़ियों के ऊपर अपने लहू से एक नई कहानी लिखी थी. उस 14 साल पूर्व इस वैली के अंदर ऐसा इतिहास रचा गया जिसकी सैनिक ही नहीं बल्कि हिंदुस्तान का कोई भी नागरिक कल्पना भी नहीं कर सकता था. ये ऐसी दुर्गम पहाड़ियां जिनके ऊपर जीवन व्यतीत करना भी बहुत दुर्गम होता है, मुश्किल होता है, लेकिन फिर भी हिंदुस्तान के जवानों ने अपने आप को इस माहौल में ढाल करके इन दुर्गम पहाड़ियों के ऊपर विजय पताका फहराया. और इसकी शुरुआत 18 ग्रेनेडियर्स ने इस तोलोलिंग पहाड़ी को 13 जून को सफलता के रूप में प्राप्त करके इसकी सफलता की बिगिनिंग शुरू की और टर्निंग पॉइंट 18 ग्रेनेडियर्स ने इस टाइगर हिल टॉप को विजय पताका फहराने के बाद में किया.